don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here, that's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe, and you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live beneath, dear God above. If I could close your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me.
Would live 100 years if I could show you how I won't desert you now.
This rain can't hurt me now. This rain